Okay, hello, this is Ivan from Just a Gang, and this is my, I guess this is a recording of, in case my lecturer thinks that I plagiarized this from somewhere, or I plagiarized someone's, or like this current, what you see right now is my, answer for lab 1, super long. Actually, it's not that long. So, 这样咯. There is no script. I'm too lazy to write script, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, wait, this one is empty, so I can delete this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 classes, and then based on your requirements, I have created 6 classes from location, where public class location, private double latitude, private double longitude, blah blah blah, and then 下一个 address.java, public class address, private location, string echo, string street name, string city, string town, and all this. And then after this goes to building. Alright. Actually, you can't even copy this. This is all already written in the requirements. It's just how you write it. Then after building, we go to residential building and commercial building, which extends into building. Pretty standard stuff. And then, as you can see here, I'm already testing the code. And then all the comments, I can say that they're very sarcastic. A lot of them are sarcasm. Some of them are pretty straightforward, like the commercial building site creating instances for location A, B, C, C, A, C, B, C, 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 and I'm using C because commercial. But then like all this is I'm not gonna say fun. It was a pain in the ass to research and copy and paste everything in. Created this, after that, yeah, like here, search address by Eircode. I'm just brute forcing my way through this one. I'm not sure if there's like a better way to do this, but this is my method. This is the method I'm using. It looks shit, but it gets the job done. So let's say since switch case 1, and please enter Eircode, user enters the Eircode, and then press enter. I'll show you. Please enter an Eircode. I could just like put. Oh, thank you. This one only allows echoes that are only found within the thing itself. I don't know how you write it. Yeah, invalid code, please try again. And then there is no loop function because that is not a requirement, and I don't know if I should even put one. So we'll just run it again. Please choose an option. Please enter an Eircode. So we go back up, we select this one. So D08 YE68, and so 它会找出来的 address. So the address I input for this instance is Rochford House D8 Y Patrick Street, Liberty, Dublin. Building number, I don't know what else to put, so I just put ROO. I just put my own code into it. I don't know what building number it wants. because some of the buildings I searched there are no building numbers, and some do. So this code, instead, I don't know, it might be a simpler way of not doing this, but I did it. So 如果 if I put D08Y6, or if I do write it with a space, it prints out this specific address. Yeah, there's nothing fancy about it. It's just the most brute force method of doing it. And pretty much the same for the entire case 1 part. And then oh shit, I'm in case 2. Sorry about this. So in case 2, same thing. This one is search, get a building's Eircode by coordinates. So let's say you somehow memorize the latitude and longitude of a location, but you don't know what location is that, what building is that connected to. So you input 53, everything is 53. I don't know a single one that isn't 53. Yeah, 53, 339, that's latitude, I hope. And longitude is -6.272. And there you go, Eircode based on coordinates. It gives me this. And then the way I did was also brute forcing it. Where system.outprint. So based on what you wrote, if latitude equals this number and longitude equals this number, which I wrote, it will print out Eircode based on coordinates. This. Like, you cannot say this is not brute forcing. This is the most straightforward, simplest, and no technical skills required to write this code out at all. Like, originally I did reference from the internet, but I saw how they wrote their code, and I'm like, if I copy this, I 100% would not understand what I'm copying, and the lecturer will figure out that I plagiarized this from somewhere, and then I would not know how to explain it either. So this is my method of writing it. It is blatant simplicity, brutal simplicity. Alright, so that's option 2. We run it again. Option 3, calculate distance between two buildings. This one has no actual brute forcing, just looks horrible. Actually, it's not horrible, it's normal. So enter latitude for location 1, longitude for location 1, enter latitude for location 2, enter longitude for location 2. So distance, and then after calculating, it'll print out distance between two coordinates is what plus the km. So enter latitude for location 1, longitude, and then that distance between two coordinates is, it will calculate for you. Although this kind of number, which is I think infinite, not infinite lah, but you get the idea. Where I did not decide to like fix it to a certain decimal number, but that's fine. My project, the project document also did not tell me whether I need to declare or not declare. I can't think of the word right now. The lecturer will know if she watches this. And then so case 4, the last option is they want me to put an exit. So it's literally system.outprint, thank you and goodbye, and I just realized what I wrote. Thank you and goodbye, and then system exit 0, and then it just exits. Or if I press 5 or I press 0 or anything, not 1, 2, 3, 4, it will print out invalid choice, please try again. But the please try again is you have to run the whole thing yourself, because again, there is no loop in this entire code. Okay, and then as for this public static double distance is the method that the project wants, and then asks us to use the heaven sign, where the lecturer herself said that it was fine to copy it off the internet. So I've just copied the entire heaven sign class, rename it to distance, and there you go, it's mine. It's now become my distance method. Alright, that's all from me, and I guess this is good proof. Or oh right, I didn't run, I didn't show you whether the exit function works. There, it just ends, and that's it. Alright, so yeah, so this is my proof for BSC underscore lab 1. I just realized we'll say DSA. I'm a fucking dunce. Hold on. Where is... Yep, I'm even doing... Yep, it's BSC OP lab 1. Yep, you are watching the edit live. BSC OP lab 1. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. To any juniors that are gonna take OP as your subject next year, I'm not saying you can copy, I can say you can reference my code, because my code is the most simplest form the most simplest form of coding ever. Because for your information, I just learned Java this semester. I'm starting from year 2 sem 1, so year 2 sem 1 is the first time I'm ever touching Java. Thank you very much.